President Roli Pickleball Tournament. This event is a celebration of our love for pickleball, friendship, and sportsmanship.
I will abide by all the rules of the games. That I will respect all rules and decisions of the referees and game officials.
Also experienced this first ever pickleball tournament held in Musuan, accommodating members of other pickleball clubs in Bukidnon, especially southern Bukidnon. To finally declare that these games are open.